Right, here is our maths for today. It's very similar to yesterday's, but we've got a song to start with, and then we'll find out what number we're looking at today. So today we're going to start by singing 10 fat sausages. So you sing along. Here we go.
10 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 10 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop, the other went bang. Now there's 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. What does that leave us with? 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. What a sizzler. 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop, the other went bang. Now there's 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. Sizzling. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop, the other went bang. Now there's 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. Come on, 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop, the other went bang. Now there's 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. Sizzling. One went pop, the other went bang. Now there's 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan.
There we go, that's the end of our sausages. So we started at 10 and ended up with 0 because we were counting down, we were counting backwards. Now, our star words for today. We've got the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We stop there with our numbers, and then our other star word is all together. You have a go at saying it. All together. Well done. Now let's have a look what we've got to do today. Oh, we've got a picture of a lady with a pan of sausages, just like in our song. Now have a look at all of these objects, all of the items on the picture. Can you find something that there's 6 of? Have a really careful look. Oh, there's some spoons there. No, there's not 6 spoons. 2 mugs. What have you found 6 of? Ah, look! The tiny egg cups at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 egg cups. Well spotted. Bet some of you found that much quicker than I did. Now our next question, how many bowls are there? Well, where are the bowls? Now they've got handles, so they're cups. Ah, here are the bowls, look. There's 2 on this shelf and 3 on this one. So how many are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bowls. Well done. Now, let's have a look to see if we can find any patterns. Can you see a pattern that these jars are making? Have a look. There's lots of different patterns there. There's a red jar, orange jar, red jar, orange jar, red, orange, that's one pattern. All the labels, look, we've got square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. The lids make a pattern. The colour of the labels make a pattern. So there's 4 lots of patterns all in those jars. Well spotted. Now, let's have a look at this. This is similar to yesterday's maths. So who can remember what this is called? There's some boxes. Well, there's 10 of them, so it's a 10 frame. So here are 4 10 frames, just like you had yesterday. Now, let's have a look at what we've got to do. Here's our challenge at the bottom. It says we have to show the number from the card on the tens frame and check if it stays the same when the counters are moved. So, I would like you today to start with this number. What number is this? Yes, this is number 8. Well done. We can check it's number 8 by counting the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the word underneath tells us that it's number 8 as well. So we're going to have a go in our tens frame. You can use counters at home if you've got them, or you could draw them in. We've got a tens frame and we need to put 8 counters in. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can put them wherever you like. So I'm going to check there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need to see if they're going to stay the same when I move them. So I'm going to move this one. Oh, it's much easier to do it down here, look. Move this dot. Oh, I'm not sure it's going to work. No. I'm going to move this dot down to here and make sure I've still got 8. So I've moved them, so the spaces are now here, but the pattern is different, but I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be much easier if you use counters rather than the whiteboard like Miss Frampton. So you have a go at doing number 8 and then choose a different number. Maybe the grown-ups at home can choose the number and you can do it in the next one. So maybe you could do number 4 in this one, number 3 in this one, and maybe you could do number 7 in this one. Move them around and make sure the number stays the same. Well done. Right, let's have a look. What's our next job? Oh, this looks the same as yesterday, but the questions are different. It says, where is the number 8 on the number track? So here's our number track. Where is the number 8? Aha, there it is, look. There's the number 8. But what number comes before number 8? Remember, if it's before, you count backwards. So before number 8 is number 7. No, it doesn't ask it here, but what number comes up after number 8? Count forwards. Is number 9. Good counting, good use of your number track. Now let's have a go at writing in the sky. Warm up that magic finger. We're going to make the number 8 in the sky. So make a S and close the gap. Now you've made the number 8. Have a go. Oh, I've got it wrong. Make a S and close the gate. That's better because it rhymes. Now you've made the number 8. You have a go. Have a practice in the air. Maybe practice writing on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. Practice that 8. Don't take your pencil off. Ooh, next job we've got to do. Now this looks like yesterday's, but again it's a different number. So it says here, this is the number 4. There are 4 dots. That's right. And I need to find a group that has 4. That's not right. That's not the number 4. Let's see if we can find the number 4. Now, oh, is it? Just bear with me a minute. Is it this one? Are there 4 pans? No, there's only 2. 2 pans. What about trees? 1, 2, 3. No, not that one. What about cats? Have a look. No, not 4 cats. Next, what about fish? Oh, that looks like it might be number 4. My estimate would be that there might be 4 fish. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish, not quite. Next one. Let's see. Aha! The mice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's double check. You can use your counters or cubes or pennies that you might have at home to check we've got 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We've covered them up and there's 4 mice all together. Well done, fantastic. Right, we've got 2 more things to do. Now this is the same as yesterday. So you've got this sheet at home And it's got lots of pictures on it. They're in colour. Look, you've got fish and sausages and butterflies. Now, if you play this with a grown-up or a brother or sister at home, you're going to have a turn. You're going to choose a number. So the number cards that we used earlier, these ones, you're going to choose a number, count the dots, and then see if you can find it on your picture. When you've found that number, you're going to put your counters over the top and cover them up so you can't see them. Then the next person chooses a number, they have a go and cover theirs up. Make sure you've got the right amount. The person that wins is the person to cover the last set of objects. So you need to make sure that you've covered them all up and checked them all with your number cards. And the last person to cover up is the winner. Right, last thing then. Here we go. I'm going to say a number, and I'd like you to try and write it in the air for me. So warm up that magic finger. We'll do 3 different numbers. Let's start with the one we practiced today, number 8. So draw us, close the